What is going on, Shib Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you on. Today, guys, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and the overall conditions of the cryptocurrency market. Now, remember, I always like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, but rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. Will Shiba Inu hit an all-time high in 2022? Let's go ahead and dive into the video. First and foremost, the overall crypto market, again, it's confused. The market seems extremely uncertain. Does it want to rally? Does it want to drop? It doesn't really know what it wants to do because, again, tensions are high right now between the Russian and Ukrainian border. So we're hoping that that fiasco ends, things go back to normal, and then we have more certainty coming into the markets. Still awaiting the executive order from the Biden administration regarding cryptocurrencies and regulation. And we're also awaiting the Fed's next month for their statement regarding interest rate hikes. As we know, inflation rates have been destroying our economy. So let's go ahead and dive into Shiba Inu specifically. But as you guys can see, overall market looks kind of meh. Shiba Inu currently sitting at 3,000 Satoshis. If you look at the 7-day chart, it's kind of been consolidating. If you look at the 1-month chart, yes, we came up and we're holding strong, but we need something that's going to create some kind of buying pressure, increase the volume that's down 23% on the day, and continue to push us forward. Before I dive into the article for today, I do want to mention there's a link in the description below for I Trust Capital, an official affiliate of the channel where you can basically get a free $100 funding reward when you fund your retirement account. Offset those tax burdens that you have from 2021. You have till April to go ahead and take advantage of that and put away crypto assets that you believe in untaxed. This will be a way to put away cryptos. If you believe in Bitcoin and Ethereum long term, put it away towards your retirement account with I Trust Capital, currently valued at a $1.3 billion valuation. They're doing absolutely great things. And again, I funded my personal account, put some ETH and BTC, two things that I do believe in long term. So let's go ahead and dive in. Shiba Inu price prediction. Can SHIB hit a new all-time high in 2022? I thought this article was put together pretty well. I haven't read it through yet, but just at a first eyes glance, I thought it was pretty dang good. Cryptocurrency traders will be watching closely to see if Shiba Inu will gain, which gained an enormous popularity in 21, can shake off this, oh man, I'm talking too quick, can shake off its meme token status and return to all-time highs this year. SHIB has maintained its place as the top 20 cryptocurrency by market cap for some time now, aided by an expanding number of holders as more retail investors enter the market and find assets as a result of the assets enormous community of users. Over 1.175 million users, guys. Remember, that's not a number we can play with lightly. This definitely puts us amongst the top 10 crypto assets in terms of actual holders. So for those of you that are wondering, my personal opinion, before we even dive into the statistics, the numbers, the TA and everything from this article, my opinion is based off of popular demand, right? And based off of the fact that we're seeing an influx of new retail investors. As long as regulation does not break crypto in 2022, I believe that SHIB will become a top 5 crypto asset. It's to the community, for the community, from the developers that are also, by the way, a part of the DAO, or a decentralized autonomous organization. Because even the devs within SHIB don't know one another. The creator Ryoshi of Shiba Inu has no idea who Shaitoshi is, who Call is, who Eric is, who Milkshake is. They don't know who, other than their aliases that they use online, they don't know who they are. And that's something that is super unique. The decisions coming in the future and forthcoming always are created by the community. Furthermore, they say the token has benefited from its accessibility. We are currently in the top 10 cryptocurrency platforms, including Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, and Kraken. So for exchange listings, we've checked off all boxes except for one. The only one I look forward to in 2022 with the new wallets that are being released is Robinhood. Once Shiba Inu achieves listing on Robinhood, I think it's going to be game over. Because now the accessibility, the barrier of entry is at 0. Every single person who's interested in it will be able to get into it. And if we continue, they talk about some of the latest statistics. Currently, SHIB is ranked 14th by market cap at a 30,850 Satoshi unit, down 1.55% on the day. As we saw here, it's about 1.78 actually, currently the live price. So if we go through and ask about, can SHIB regain that 80,000 plus Satoshi unit? They talk about Shiba Inu's price rising by 57% in February 6th and February 8th. If you guys recall, the rally that we saw, that was unprecedented. There was really no big catalyst that created this buy pressure. And that's the fact with Shiba Inu. Catalysts pile up on one another. Positive sentiments pile up on one another and don't really affect price action immediately. There's always this delay with SHIB, which makes it such a mysterious token. But then we see whales start buying in. We see the buying pressure increase. We see the retail investors start to jump in. And so for me, that's why SHIB is one of those long-term holds. I don't look at it as a swing trade, although it does have a lot of swing trading opportunity because of the volume and the volatility that it presents, especially the last few weeks to months. But I still do believe that, again, all-time highs is not just, again, a thought anymore. It's a definitive. And you guys could see we've established our support lines. And it shows here we have barriers and supports. We have some resistance and we have our support lines. In order to determine the direction of SHIB, they say, it is necessary to first identify this barrier. Closing the 4-hour candlestick below 27,000 Satoshis will invalidate the bottom, causing a lower low to be established. In order for the 15% correction to go to 23,500 Satoshis, this development must first take place. If you scroll down a little bit further into the article, they start talking about the SHIB support barrier, and they start discussing things about how much money is coming in terms of volume. The in and out global chain, basically, model developed by the Into the Book, lends support to the short-term bearish notion for the meme token. If you go in and talk about this on-chain indicator, it indicates that stable support is between 15,000 and 22,000 Satoshis, with a pretty significant range there, of course. Given that a total of 134,000 addresses acquired a total of 502.58 trillion SHIB tokens in this transaction. So they, again, after the discussion there, they kind of go in and finally talk about the price prediction. And this is where I think it aligns with my understanding and my, saying. And it's basically, if you come way at the end here, you guys could see SHIB has a lot of trade volume, billions of dollars exchanging traders on a day-to-day basis. So in light of the rising use of cryptocurrencies in the market, there's a possibility that SHIB may return to or perhaps surpass its all-time highs in 2022. Mass adoption continues to grow, folks. When speculation became rampant, SHIB witnessed massive gains in 2021 as the market saw a significant amount of speculative activity. Despite this, there is always the possibility of dramatic price corrections, particularly given the large number of SHIB whales accumulating in the market recently. Because if whales decide to dump, that could be scary. But as of late, all they've been doing is accumulating SHIB. In spite of this, as the market sentiment slowly shifts back towards the bullish side, the new users expected to enter the crypto space in the coming years, especially with Robinhood's wallets coming out and introducing that to a lot of retail investors that don't touch crypto. And with leading platforms such as Robinhood, as I guess they said, who has not listed SHIBNet, the meme coin has every opportunity to return to previous highs this year. But this is still speculative at this point. I really thought the article was really well put together, and I wanted to make sure I shared it with you guys. The thesis sticks. The 1 cent dream, I think, is imminent. It's going to take time for us to reach it. We need more mass adoption. We need more positive overall sentiments in the crypto market and positive regulatory related things. But I do believe that SHIB will take us to the promised land. I appreciate you guys' support. Smash the like button. Consider subscribing. And until next time then, keep investing, everybody. Peace.